Good morning. It's day 16 of Safety 365, and we're going to talk about employee rights today. OSHA Act, Section 11C, or some people call it whistleblower. Workers have a right to seek safety and health without fear of punishment or retaliation. They have a right to contest abatement dates. And most people think of this will be the unions, but employees could do this also, even though they rarely do. Workers can be present at the informal conference. I used to have many of the labor unions attend the formal conference on a significant inspection. You have a right to see the OSHA records, like the OSHA 300 and the 301 forms. They must give you the 300 forms unredacted within 24 hours. When OSHA does an inspection, they will interview you, and they'll ask you questions. How long have you worked here? What kind of safety training have you had? What do you think is a dangerous part of your job? Have you been hurt on the job? These are typical questions. They're not there to, look at you individually as a safe or not safe worker. They're there to just try to figure out if the place is compliance with the OSHA rules. And anyone can file a complaint if you're a current employee and can ask for an inspection. You'll have to put your name on it that says, I attest that this is a true and correct information to the best of my knowledge. And when you get into an interview with OSHA and you're a member of a union, you can have a representative there. Usually the non-union people could have a representative, but they usually don't. But one of the things you don't want to have is an employer be your representative. They can't be working with OSHA on one side and then represent you on the other side. And that goes for any attorneys. If the company is paying the attorney and you're not getting an attorney, guess what? You can't use a company attorney because that's kind of a conflict of interest for the attorneys. So you want to make sure it's safe. If you have problems, you can always call OSHA and talk about these issues, and then they can advise you at 1-800-321-OSHA. That's 1-800-321-OSHA. Talk to you tomorrow, and be safe.